Welcome to the Digital Answer Base YouTube channel. In this video today, we're looking at the Excel spreadsheet option with a little bit of a twist of the AI that can help you on the bricks. Like in the past, if you had to do any Excel or learn Excel, you had to go through a huge learning curve. But at this day and age, what we can do is we can use the powered AI tools that are actually built in certain programs, such as the bricks, okay? First step, let's imagine yourself, you get a huge amount of data and you just need to clean everything up. You need to maybe create pivot points or tables or charts. Previously, you need to have some sort of knowledge of Excel. This day and age, especially with AI taking over, you don't really need that knowledge. The learning curve has actually come down. So as an example, as you can see, all these data sets, it's like 100. If this gets dumped on your table at work and you need to go through all of this, create a table, maybe create a pivot point, create a chart, it can be very overwhelming. But hold up, no problem. We've got this all sorted now. Once you got all of this data on here, what you want to do is you want to come to the right bottom corner, the purple circle, you want to click on there. And then what you want to do is, this is the AI option. So let the AI do all the lifting. So what you need to do, and guess what? You don't even need to really worry about your spelling. You just need to prompt the AI to do what you want the AI to do. So very simple. What you do is clean up the above data set and come on. Please make sure you put it in a table. Let the AI do the work. So what the AI is doing here, it basically, look at this, it just created the table here. As you can see, what it has done, it's cleaned up the data set and it's put it in a table. So what we can do is we can get rid of this. We've got the table now. So what we really want to do is ask the AI, very simple, just break it down even more. Like we want different columns for the job column, we want the salary column, we want the position column, etc., and the name. So now what we want to do is please break it down in let's see what the AI does now. So what it will do is it's breaking things down in different columns. Okay, so let's have a look. So what it has now, it's got the employee, it's got the name, it's got the department, it's got the role, it's got the joint, the day it actually joined, the joining date, and it's got the annual salary. So let's click this, make it a bit bigger. And there you go. So just look at this. Let's just take one step back here. We started with a massive data set. So the data set was dropped onto your table by either by your boss, by a manager, by someone superior, or by someone different department and say, you know what, I need this data set to be cleaned. I need things to be in the table, etc. So within a couple of minutes, what we've done is we've taken everything, we cleaned up the data, we have everything in the organized. We've got the employee ID organized, we've got the name organized, we've got the department organized, we've got the roles organized, we know the day they joined, we got the annual salary. So we have everything done in a clear picture now. So within the space of literally a couple of minutes, we've done all of this. So now what we can do is we can take it even to a different level. What we can do is now, let's say column E. So we can say column, let's have a look. So I can just roll. I can put where it says roll, put it in order. Now look at this. So what we have is we've got the roles in order: account executive, and then finance. So we can basically it work by department. So sales, finance, marketing, finance. Not really. You can spot something as we put the roles together, but let's even clean that up, make it more organized, and let's just do it based on departments. So basically now, previously what you had to do is department, open bracket, employee data set, close bracket, and then start typing all these formulas in. Now you don't even have to do that. So you click department, the AI picks it up, and then what you do is very simple. Put it in order by department. So what I'm doing, it's basically going to do its work. So there we go. So look at this. We've got all the finance in one, by one. We organize all the HR. We organize all the IT. We organize all the marketing. We organize all the sales. Okay. So what we can do right now is this is the bit where it's massively powerful. In the past, this would have taken you hours. You can now break things down even more. Break down each department's total. So let's have a look now. So we've asked the AI to break down all the annual salary. Look at this. So by finance, you can see how much it costs. By HR, the annual salary, and then IT, marketing, and sales. And then you can even break it down even more. You can go ask the AI, give me bar chart for each department with the highest annual. So let's see if it does. Wow, look at this. Look what it's just done. It just created a sort by employees. It's unbelievable. In HR, it just literally what it does. This is phenomenal. So now you can go back to your manager and say, in the finance department, these are all the top earners by top to bottom, by HR, by top to bottom, in the IT, in marketing, in sales. You know exactly. You've also know how much everything is per department. Let's just create a dashboard. So from this, from the data set, so please create interactive dashboard that I can present to my manager with breakdowns for each department. There on your salary and how much the company is spending on a monthly basis. So let's just see if it creates like this. This is quite. I've personally never done it this way, but imagine yourself. You had a whole lot of data basically given to yourself. You don't have the Excel knowledge. I would say an intermediate to high level where you can break things down and cleanse things down quickly. You've cleansed everything. You've created different tables, and then you went to the point at the moment towards the end where you've literally just put in a prompt with that data set. You've now created a total dashboard that you can now literally present to your manager or to the leadership in whoever you need to, or to your client. So the total annual expenditure per department, literally you've done literally finance 1.6, 8.2, and then you've literally look at how they broke it down. The number of employees per department, you've kind of broke that down. You have literally the total annual salary per monthly salary. You've done that, broke that down. So now you've literally done the whole presentation. And then you can even ask, you can press here and you can put images, text, different type of tables still in the chart. You can select grids, or you can go back to the AI and you can say, okay, give me a graph. You can add a graph. So you went from literally blank data to all the way creating a dashboard that you can literally are ready to present to whoever you want to present it to in a matter of maybe like 15, 20 minutes. And this is the power of using AI to your advantage, where the knowledge gap has actually been decreased, where you can literally step up and actually present and do something where previously in the past you would have taken you years and years to get to this point where you can just suddenly create a whole dashboard or a presentation with all the data implemented. Now, this is the power of the bricks. Thank you very much for watching this. Please go over it, play around with it, use it. You can use the free options